Singing is a complex and challenging skill that requires a combination of technical ability and artistic expression. It involves the coordination of breath control, pitch, rhythm, and tone to produce clear and expressive vocal sounds. Singers must also have a good ear for music and the ability to interpret and convey the emotions of a song. Singing in front of an audience can be nerve-wracking and requires a good deal of confidence and stage presence. Overall, singing is a difficult skill that takes a lot of practice and dedication to master. Today in this video we will be discussing 5 ways to sing like Despacito. Welcome to 5 Ways. My name is Nancy and I'm dedicated to help aspiring singers learn how to sing like the popular song Despacito by Luis Fonsi and Daddy Yankee. My channel is all about providing tips and techniques. Let's get started. Number 1. Train your voice. To sing like Despacito requires a lot of vocal control, power, and agility. It's important to train your voice through exercises such as scales, arpeggios, and runs. This will help you to develop the necessary range and control to sing the song. Number 2. Learn to control your vibrato. Despacito singers have a good control on their vibrato, which is the natural wavering of pitch in the voice. Practice vibrato exercises to help you develop control over the wavering of your voice. Number 3. Learn to use your diaphragm. Diaphragmatic breathing is important for singing and it helps to support your voice and improves your control over your breath. Practice breathing exercises to help you develop control over your diaphragm. Number 4. Listen and study the original song. Listen to the original song repeatedly and study the singer's performances. Pay attention to their phrasing, dynamics, and delivery. Try to imitate their singing style as much as possible. Number 5. Practice singing in Spanish. Despacito is sung primarily in Spanish, so if you want to sing like the song, it's important to practice singing in Spanish. This will help you to develop the proper pronunciation and inflection when singing the song. Note: these tips are generally true for any singing style and it's not guaranteed that following all of these tips will make you sing like Despacito, as it's a unique combination of different factors and luck. It's important to find your own singing style and develop it. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it and found it informative. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more videos like this one. Your support means a lot to me. Thanks again for watching.